For the last 40 years, thousands of cases have had their decisions made based on a legal principle called the Chevron deference, which was issued by that Supreme Court back in 1984. Well, on June 28th, 2024, 40 years later, this Supreme Court decided to overrule Chevron. What does that mean? The Chevron legal principle deferred decision-making and policy-making and interpretation of statute and policy back to that specific government agency. So, for example, if a person decided to sue the Department of State and it went to the federal court, the court would say, no, we're not getting involved. The Department of State can deal with that. That pretty much simplifies how the Chevron legal deference principle works. With this new decision, it is requiring the courts to be involved to determine whether an agency has acted within the statutory authority, whereas before they weren't getting involved. In the world of immigration, all we do is deal with government agencies, Department of Homeland Security, Department of State, Department of Justice. So imagine the thousands of decisions that have been rendered based on Chevron deference legal principle. And now if they're being brought back into court or if new issues come up, now the courts will be able to have their hands into that decision-making policy. Not sure how all of this is going to play out, but it's definitely going to change the course of litigation when it comes to going after different government agencies, especially within the world of United States immigration and nationality law.